Okay guys, I was going to wait for the rain to stop, but what the heck. This is real life with puppies, and it rains in real life, so unfortunately they get gross, but they sure do love it. This is Pancakes. Who untied my shoe? And Ruby. And Brody. And Birdie. This is Pink Hearts and Diamonds. There's Pancakes again. They absolutely love playing in the grossness. They will get a bath before they go home though, everybody, so no worries. I can't guarantee that it won't rain again, so we'll do our best. Hey, Pancakes. Pancakes. Hi, buddy. What you doing? Hi. Ruby, good sit. Good sit. Hi, Brody. Brody.